Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Hello. Hello. How are you guys? Let's kill it. Yeah, let's kill it. Nice dress it. Yeah, actually, it's a little bit cold today. Not a little bit. It's like really cold today. I had my morning workout outside, and then I decided to go to my ice bath, and it was like, kind of cold. Kind of cold. Hello, everyone. It's not for you. I practice ice bath from July, no, from August. August, September, October, November. 5 months. So far, so good. Okay, disclaimer one more time. Inside day to day, not really, honestly. You cannot afford ice bath. Actually, it's not that expensive. So I just bought the refrigerator, put this in my garage. And in my opinion, it can be also cheap if you can try to find used refrigerator. So yeah, on the marketplace if you would like to use a little bit cheaper version. So I live in Space Coast, so East Coast. Buys for the day. I'm going to discuss this in 5 minutes. Fort Lauderdale. Okay, I used to live there. I live in Dania Beach. Then we moved to Boca Raton. Then we moved to North Carolina. Then we back to Florida again. But we live in Melbourne right now. 57 degrees. Let me check, by the way, what's the temperature right now. It's kind of cold today. Let me 55 right now, so yeah. Thank you for your PDF. You are very welcome. Okay, look, I used to live in Dania Beach, then we moved to North Carolina because of my university. So I was at North Carolina State University. So after I finished this, we moved back to Florida. So University of North Carolina a little bit better than in Florida. So maybe that was the reason. Computer science. Computer science. I studied computer science. Oh, you're not that far from NC State, so actually you live in Raleigh, right? Raleigh. Okay, I lived in Apex. Yeah, Apex, next to Cary. So yeah, absolutely amazing place. If someone asked me if I would like to back to North Carolina, I would say yes. West Palm Beach, okay. Oh, my time. Okay, thank you for letting me know. I recorded recap yesterday, so I forgot to bring this back. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, bias for today, guys. I guess everyone saw we got PPI today, so looking at these numbers kind of makes sense to retrace lower. But what can happen? What can happen actually first? Ideally to retrace higher first. As you see, I highlighted this week right here. It's 5-minute week, not only like 2-minute, 5-minute week. I like, as you can see, I have psychological levels right here: 25%, 50%, 75%. So psychological level. So in my opinion, yeah, I mean, London high will be even better. But right now, just looking at conservative levels, what makes sense right now is look for potential retracement higher. Maybe it's going to be just like, you have volume imbalance on 15-minute chart, on 5-minute chart. So maybe it's going to be somewhere right here. And I like this equal highs on ES. But at this point, yeah, would like to see back to premium, honestly, back to premium. And if it may create 5-minute order block from here, so from premium, I will look for short all the way down to data low, CPI low. But once again, above London high, I will lose interest in short at all. So my bias is not bearish, just looking at this chart, if we can retrace from premium, if we can retrace to premium 5-minute order block, I will short. You're bullish, okay. So we will see. Data low kind of makes sense after PPI, but once again, we never know. Don't really would like to predict right now. I'm not always shorting, but by the way, I notice I'm really good in shorting. Not perfect but I'm not perfect for looking like long setups. It's much easier for me to short for some reason. But guys, what I found yesterday is crazy. So actually, let's move back to yesterday. What I found is crazy. So for people like me, but I found out only like yesterday about this. If like lots of people like me, yeah, it's much easier to short because market is much easier to drop than going higher. But what I found, look at this. I can invert chart. So just looking at this chart, it's much easier to look for long. I mean, you can find setup, just looking at this inverted chart and just like bring this back and take setup. I was like, what? Why? I found out about this only like yesterday. Look at this perfect tool. Then bring this back. Sometimes like long setup is not obvious for me, but when I look at this a chart like this, it's much more obvious. And I'm like, okay. Yeah, exactly. My husband also said like, don't confuse yourself. But anyways, that's absolutely amazing tool for people who understand how market moves, especially in British market. I was like, what? Absolutely amazing tool. Well, because I decided to backtest. Honestly, that long yesterday wasn't super obvious in my opinion, but when I decided to backtest with inverted chart on 1-minute chart, it was like much more easier to understand this. I don't know why I see market much more better when it's British market. I don't know why. Just it's much easier for me. Yeah, I mean, perfect tool. Yeah, for some people it's much easier to look for long setup. For some people it's much easier look for short setup. For some people both are like easier, but not for me. I notice my best trades when we have British market. Well, just funny. Yeah, market is it's much easier for market to drop. I use replicanta, so it's like this. Maybe so. I don't know, but just like my observation, and when I was like, we have inverted tool, it's completely different picture. So yeah, that's great, guys. Hello, guys. So overall market is bullish, obviously. Yesterday we got, if you open daily chart, you will see we got move once again from external to internal, back to external. Absolutely crazy bullish market. So on high time frame, at this moment, absolutely zero reason to short on high time frame. All we can expect just like possibility tracement on high time frame. But look at this, another change in the state of delivery. Crazy. So in my opinion, even if market wants to drop in the future, obviously not today, we will drop something like this. So that's it. So maybe it's not going to go lower. So it will create valid high right here with the retracement back down to the discount OB, then the action all the way up again. So in the future, it doesn't mean like today. It still may go higher. Just overall. Still super hard for me to be bearish. Extremely hard to be bearish right now. But all we can anticipate, in case we can get a valid high or order block, then we can just look for move to this order block, discount OB. That's pretty much it. Right now, I'm not ready to look for shorts on high time frame at all. I'm just like can anticipate possible move back to CPI low, for example, and that's pretty much it. Yesterday was kind of hard for me as well, so I'm not going to lie. That was the reason why I decided to backtest this day. In hindsight, even in hindsight, guys, I'm not going to lie. I would not take any trades. Just even in hindsight, so. Okay, guys, let's see what time it is. 7 more seconds. 7 more seconds. Right now, I'm looking at two levels. This volume imbalance and this 5-minute wick. On ES, I'm looking at this equal highs. And I would say as long as we hold below London high, makes sense to look for potential move lower. Give me 1 second. Yesterday we anticipated to get retracement down to this OB, so let's highlight this OB. Forgot to bring this back. I deleted yesterday. Okay, but extend to the right and purple color. Just as as potential support. We will see. Ah, come on. Okay, I'm going to switch on M&Q right now. I'm going to trade lots of accounts today, so I feel like we can get perfect day today. Not sure, but I hope so. So far, trying to respect this 2-minute fair value gap. Maybe people want to ask me why I decided to highlight not this part, but actually this part right here. So pretty much, I can say we balance this part of this fair value gap, right? So if I would like to highlight from here to here, So this part of this fair value got balanced. So I decided to just leave unbalanced part, if it makes sense. Yeah, lots of people anticipate to get consolidation, but for some reason I feel we can get expansion today. Honestly. We got displacement after closure below this sequence of this up close candles right here. Cannot really see perfect inversion, just small one. My equilibrium of previous day range is 613. What about you? So far offered immediate rebalance right here. Honestly, if it wants to drop, my very first target 200 points lower. Okay, let me check fractal model right here. Let me do the drawings from here. So far, trying to respect 50% of this candle right here. This candle number 2 after we got sweep. 50%. Usually I would like to see 1 minute inversion at this point. Not perfect one yet. But would like to see lower. Maybe, you know, another 40 points lower will be nice. No trades yet. We can move from move back to weekly open, like retest of this weekly open once again. No trades yet. I'm just looking right now. So potential immediate rebalance right here. 1 minute OB. What about ES? Makes sense to go slightly higher overall. Even if it wants to test weekly open, reaction back up. Oops, guys, sorry. Reaction back up right here to this 50% of this 5-minute wick makes a little bit more sense. So basically, maybe Sunday open, an attempt to reverse. But once again, overall, if as long as we hold below London high, I will look for potential move lower. I trade both personal accounts and funded accounts. When I stream, I trade funded accounts. Most of the time, I trade my personal account for overnight only, or for PM session. That's pretty much it. But on streams, I trade my funded accounts, so because I need to trade them. As long as prop firms exist, I'm going to work with them, no matter what. But also, I trade my personal account. Yeah, I chart on NQ, but I execute on MNQ, always. I chart on ES, but I execute on ES as well. Minor sweep of this buy side liquidity. Going to highlight this candle's potential OB. PM session worse to trade on personal account because sometimes I need to hold after 4 p.m. so I can actually hold my trades. And overnight actually nice because I don't need to worry about any that I can break any rules. So I just entered and went to bed. That's pretty much it. No order block yet, see? Guys, no rush yet. be smart. So we don't need to take any trades because we anticipate to see something. So, see setup, take it. No setup, we are not going to take any trades. We would like to see the retracement up right now. Not really ready to call this as a reversal, but retracement, yes. Because once again, if you just joined, as long as you're below London high, I will look for move lower with attempt to reach this 15-minute breakaway gap. That's, by the way, old. I don't need this NCPI low. Ugly candles right here, but anyway. Equal highs once again on ES. I will open CL chart, just in case maybe we can trade CL today. Oh, looking at CL, just open this chart. Absolutely amazing short. Beautiful bar. Yeah, absolutely amazing barcodes right here. For AM distribution? Okay, maybe so at 4 AM I prefer to sleep. But overall nice. You watch my videos, this means that's nice. This means we're on the same page. See, it offered fake change in the state of delivery. Right here, so we cannot obviously short this. For people who just joined, that's 15 minute and 5-minute volume balance right here. But more interest, I guess, in this 5-minute week right here. I just, as you can see, I divided this on psychological levels right here, 25, 50, and 75%. Where? Right here? It's not OB right here. It's nothing. Come on, NQ. I was so sure it's not going to be consolidation. Please. Please. I really don't like 15-minute candles right now. See this? Lots of sweeps, internal sweeps right here. Oh my god. Kind of confusing. Let me but hourly chart looks bearish right now, especially this hourly sweep. Internal sweep looks nice. 15-minute chart doesn't want to tell a lot, but 5-minute chart and a 1-hour chart and 5-minute structure tells like expect slightly lower. Pretty much tight consolidation. See this? Crazy. Time distortion, not perfect example of this, especially on lower time frame. After huge drop this night, so basically we want to see distortion maybe at least like on 5-minute chart. Okay, what is order block? Actually, that's pretty much simple to understand. With this move up, we broke this, it's not really break of structure right here, but yeah, we took this buy side liquidity. After this, we reverse. So basically, if you want to see continuation higher, we anticipate to get break of structure to upside. But with this move down, it failed to offer break of structure right here. Instead, when I just sweep, but it's not break of structure. We anticipate to get move all the way down to near sell side liquidity, by the way, which is right here. Failed, but instead it trying to respect this discount OB right here and formed what? Valid low on 1 minute chart. So once again, another attempt to offer break of structure, another failure, right? Another sweep. So basically we're looking for move lower to near sell side liquidity once again, which is right here still. And for this, we must wait for order block or valid high formation. So basically this is 1 minute OB or valid high. That's pretty much it. No reason to look for like lower targets, but we look for near sell side liquidity. No trades, yeah, absolutely nothing yet. They're trying to play games right now. Okay. Okay, we are going to accept this. One more sweep. I will explain this once again a little bit later, okay? About this break of structure and order block a little bit later. Let's focus right now, because we can miss something. No reason to discuss this right now. Why? I said I prefer to see weekly open retest and after this retracement, but once again, overall, as long as we're below London high, makes sense to go lower. Yes. Trying to respect this 5 minute and 10 minute fair value gap. Okay, we run this equal highs right here. Actually, some people, yes, use 4-hour chart, 15-minute for market maker model, but I prefer to use 4-hour and 5-minute structure. We kind of stuck at previous week high. Well, same, just sweep right here. So if it's going to be sweep, it must close above this equal highs right here, above this equal highs right here once again. And if you can close above this equal highs, preferably to run higher. We have this equal highs after we got news today. I hope it's not going to be consolidation all day, honestly. But you know, guys, I don't trade after 11 if no setup before 11. No trades at all. As well as I did not get any trades yesterday. Because break above this equal highs and closure above this equal highs, I would say in 2-minute chart should offer OB. Amazing price action. Okay. With possible move all the way up. It is New York midnight open and equal highs. By the way, how big? Potential move 5 points and oh my god, that's not a lot. DXY? Let me check. No, DXY is going lower. Interesting to see DXY is going lower, but we're pretty much consolidating right now. So above this equal highs, makes sense to see this. As long as we're below this, no reason. So for price action, it's not like trash, but not worth of my risk, I would say. Trump effect, okay. Yeah, still inside previous day range, exactly. I like how in Q trying to respect this order block all the time. I would say 50% of this order block cannot close higher than 50% of this OB. So basically from here to here. See how it's like failed to close above this level 1, 2, 3, 4, like almost 5 times. I'm not trying too long right now. But this price action is paradise for for prop firms, right? Like especially for Apex with trading drawdown, Edit Trader, it's like paradise. They're going to make lots of money with this price action. Time distortion, pretty much, yeah. Yeah. But so far, like how it just failed to close below above mean threshold of this OB. No setup, obviously, that I like right here in this consolidation. YM. Let me check YM. I mean, YM is going up. Is going higher right now. I mean, what? How is it possible? That's this PX chart. Okay, YM. Look at this YM chart. Always funny to see this. That's why I don't use YM for SMT. Like, never ever. Okay, reason why I decided to stay away from shorts, and that's why I said I feel like I'm going straight against the trend. The reason why I didn't want to take shorts was, okay, we opened way above New York midnight open. The very first time of possible trend day when we opening way above New York midnight open level or way below this level. Another reason was we opened way above data high or a CPI high. It also was another confirmation of possible trend day. And I felt like absolutely zero reason to trust like simply like 1 minute structure to short. That's why I changed my mind and said like, okay, not going to short. Because I swear to God, I felt like I'm going to trade against the trend. So as I said yesterday, if I can avoid taking stupid and unnecessary trades, because if I would like to see something and what market actually give us in real time, it's a completely different picture. So yesterday I saw market doesn't want to confirm my bearish idea, and I felt like I'm just going to force the short, which is like stupid to do. When I feel like this, it's much better just like disconnect your accounts and enjoy your day. 2 minutes. Okay, let's open 2 minute back. Yeah, still trying to hold this 2 minute fair value gap so far. Or you will also add. Yeah, actually, once again, when you see a trend day, it's much better to trade with trend. And try to avoid looking for potential reversals. It's not good. Why don't trade Forex? I don't know, actually, why. One more sweep right here. See, we don't have breakout structure at all. Nothing yet. Let's remove some levels from here. It's still hard to say if I'm bullish or bearish. Below weekly open, it's going to be like more signs of bearishness right now. It's kind of hard to say. If we made it trace higher first, it will be much better than just drop, honestly. Reason that we took London low on both ES and NQ, but NQ failed to take London high while ES took this level, makes me feel like I don't want to see higher first. First, I'm not going to talk about reversal, I just like anticipate potential at retracement. That's pretty much it. Don't worry, I'm buying right now. Okay. Did you call market makers? Yeah, exactly so. You are long, it should dump like 150 points. Guys, you know what I can say? Every single time, once again, I'm going to repeat this, I guess, 5 times already for like last 2 weeks. Every single time when I see consolidation and I'm trying to trade this consolidation, I have losing trade. Why? Because I usually look like, okay, here's finally, like we are going to break on lower time frame. It's like finally we are going to break this consolidation. And this means I'm going to, if I look for long, for example, my entry is going to be in premium like 100% of the time. Or same for short. Most of the time, when I have my losing trades, I trade consolidation lower time frame. So basically, I short in discount and buy in premium. So YM is dropping right now. We have 2-minute inversion so far. So early for crystal ball. Yeah, guys, still early. So we don't have like we consolidation right now. Crystal ball, see, it's still sleeping right now. Come on, wake up, wake up. And isn't that they trying to hold this order block? Annoying. Because if just I want to enter this trade, yeah, crystal ball. If I want to trade this order block, no idea where to place my stop loss as well. I no idea where I need to enter at this point. Yeah, guys, that's my crystal ball. That's my friend. It's kind of heavy, so it's hard to hold this all the time. Oh my god. But market maker sent me this crystal ball 2 weeks ago. Need some displacement, exactly so. No, we don't have any news at 10 a.m., so nothing. Major news was at 8:30 a.m. Yeah, guys, no rush, so wait for setup. Funny, but for ES, if it wants to drop, obviously ideal to run this equal highs first, but once again, for drop, my target is going to be CPI low anyway, or monthly open, but it's like 1 point difference right now, not a big deal. Okay, I will post information about my trading setup. I am market maker, just tell me what you want. Okay, where market will go, give me signal. Put some magnets. Why I'm bearish if it's internal to external? Actually, we already got external range liquidity yesterday. It doesn't mean like we cannot go higher at all. Nothing. Like it doesn't mean like this. But we already got external range liquidity. Yesterday we made a new all-time high. Yes, I can post on my Twitter about my trading setup. We'll post information about my computer, my monitors. It did trace overnight, but as you can see, we're still in premium of previous day range. The tracement back to premium, still in premium, not even equilibrium. Kind of lots of questions around this, right? Yeah, it's guys, it's paradise for prop firms today. We are going to wait for silver bullet, exactly. I will post information about my PC on my Twitter. Russian accent, yeah. I'm from Belarus actually, but my first language is Russian. Yes. Yes. You're waiting for golden bullet, okay. Overall Hydra frame structure is bullish. Like I'm not going to even argue with this. Extremely bullish. You don't need to have lots of screens. Some people trade from phone, so I'm not going to recommend how many screens do you need to have, because it's stupid to do. You think it will go higher? Totally possible, so I'm looking at yes right now, which looks a little bit more better than NQ. As I said, I'm going to look for potential move higher only above this equal highs in this fair value gap. And something wrong with my internet, I guess. You could never understand why people do that. What? It's going to go up and down, yeah? Guys, no rush. So, if you're trying to trade this consolidation, most likely you're going to chase right now. I cannot say how many points you need to aim for, honestly. It's up to you, depends on your setup, your scalper or your swing trader, maybe you're intraday trader. I cannot even recommend the model that you need to trade as a beginner. Because something that can work for me will not work for you, so. You trade from Fonzie? Yeah, I mean. Hello, guys, hello. Kind of hard to say where I would like to long on the NQ right now in this consolidation. Cannot say for sure yet. Okay, it's 10:02 right now. We are waiting for silver bullet, so That's pretty much it. Still trying to respect this order block. Insane. But see how it keeps sweeping this low. Actually, this is low right now. I'm still keeping my eyes on this YM chart. Back from premium to discount right now. Kind of failed to close below equilibrium, but still trying to hold this. It's one. Let me open 1 minute chart. On YM, honestly, kind of makes sense to go slightly lower. I never traded YM. I mean, I traded maybe like 2 years ago. I don't remember how many points I need to get, honestly. How much is going to cost one point move? I don't know. I don't remember this. Because if I'm not mistaken, like 100 points on YM is nothing, right? It's not that hard to get this 100 points move. YM is $5. Okay, good to know. Thank you. Okay, micro YM. Okay, good to know. For some reason, I forgot this because I didn't actually pay attention to this. On YM, I'm looking for lower right now to take 9:35 AM sell side liquidity. Oh, it was fast. I mean, it was close. Well. Volume imbalance in fair value gap on 1 minute chart. Here is 5-minute volume imbalance. Anyway, we got sweep. Let's highlight this potential. It's not potential, it's inversion fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap in discount. At least something, right? Yeah, guys, pretty much if you can avoid trading consolidation, that will be nice. You would like to see 772, what we have right there. Oh, London high, okay. Actually, I posted stats from my personal account on my Twitter yesterday. I mostly trade micros right now on my personal account, so if you want to check this, you can go on my page and find information about this. But as I said, I trade micros in for PM session or overnight moves. But once again, in October, my win rate was a little bit more than 30%. In November, it was a little bit more than 80%. So October was hard for me. Yeah, October was very hard for me, very, very hard. So I am keep going lower, which is nice. I would say absolutely amazing market maker sell model 1 minute chart, but look at the ES and Q. What? If it wants to be declaimed fair value gap for move lower, it can be nice. Not trade for me at all. ES looks a little a little bit more better, honestly. What about gold? Let's check. Gold also going lower right now. Honestly, I cannot see on gold. Just looking in 1 hour chart. Let's talk about this a little bit while we are waiting. See an amazing move on YM. If I open 1 hour chart right here, I cannot see second stage of redistribution yet. This means we can actually retrace higher. Maybe retracement to this fair value gap, basically to this high. And then if it wants to continue going down, we will drop all the way down somewhere right here. But once again, since we don't have a second stage of redistribution yet, we can expect maybe slightly lower, but overall retracement higher, then possible continuation lower. What is bias for today? So no reason to trade gold, I guess, right now. 1 minute chart doesn't tell me a lot yet. Nothing yet, nothing I like. Makes sense to take this flat candle high right here. You have measuring gap over here. So honestly, I can expect retracement right now. It's not going to be huge retracement, so no plan for gold right now. Overall, I would like to see slightly high on both high time frame and low time frame. But structure still suggests continuation lower overall, like market maker sell model. What we need to have, just second stage of redistribution, in my opinion. So if it wants to be declaimed fair value gap, its setup is going to look like this. Even lower, honestly, but something like this. Okay, let me switch on MNQ right now. Not trades yet, so obviously. We'll adjust once I enter, so I'm not in this trade. It's just the action from reclaimed fair value gap, not order block. Reclaimed fair value gap right here, continuation lower. Trade idea, not yet. I'm not in this trade yet. As you can see, we're a little bit late with this entry. Not yet. At least we got breakout structure right now. At the test of this breakout structure, trying to go lower. No trade yet. Okay, if it's going to displace, makes sense to even like trade right here. So basically, the test of weekly open, if you can close below below Sunday open on 1 minute chart. Not trade idea yet. I'm not in this trade. I'm just looking for my entry must be at this declaimed fair value, but we missed this. I was talking about gold or something, so nothing yet, guys. Just keep moving this to see how big stop loss at this point will be without the action. So no trades yet. Not trade idea, guys, since not sure about entry point. How many points we... Give me 1 second. How many points we drop from this declaimed fair value gap to weekly open? Just 20 points? Okay, if it wants to hold this order block... I cannot even select this. We can use market order to trade the short. So far, pretty much immediate rebalance right here. Nice, you're short from reclaimed fair value gap. That's absolutely amazing trade. Let's see. Makes sense to go lower right now. Doesn't want to retrace from weekly open. No trades yet. But overall, would like to see like CPI low taken. I'm going to switch back on MNQ right now. Because ideally, guys, to see a move from this, to keep this as breakaway gap ideally, and aim for like CPI low, but once again, it's not best in terms of risk reward because I cannot see this trade from like order block right here. So it's not my type of interest right here. That's why I'm not going to take it. We got order block right here, and with this displacement, we got order block. So after this, I cannot see like momentum candle. So I usually prefer to stay away from this kind of setups. But once again, where I can enter at this point, if it wants to offer another OB with displacement. So a little bit late, but still my stop loss is going to be above order block. So not shades, guys, right now. I'm not interested in shorts right now at all. I need to have order block, then yes, I will start looking for potential short. So no reason to short right now. For me at least. I need to have order block plus displacement. We don't have it. You're still bullish, that's fine. So yes, it can be power of 3 right here. Let me check YM real quick. YM trying to retrace higher right now. If it may create another order block, then I will use this order block as my entry point. Otherwise, no reason for me to even risk. What is equilibrium of previous range on your chart? Oh, it's equilibrium of previous range. Conservative target. Because we're still inside premium of previous range, so at least equilibrium makes sense. Okay, guys, let's focus right now. Now it's important for us to see if it's going to be OB or not. Yeah, 50% of previous day range. That's pretty much it. Oh, thank you, Brian. YM, of course, let's check YM. Pretty much trying to reject from it's absolutely amazing market maker sell model at this point, so kind of makes sense right now to retrace higher. We have 50% of this week over here. So somewhere right here, ideally. If you're looking for a trade right now, no reason yet. No, you're trying to long right now? I cannot see setup for long yet. Overall, can expect a retracement, but no longs yet. No short setup for me yet right here, guys. I'm not going to take this trade. I'm very picky with my trades. I trade based on order blocks, and unfortunately, this order block not worth it because it was immediately with displacement. Usually I try to avoid taking this kind of trades. I need like really displacement to trade something. Not worth it. Because in my opinion, if I want to trade based on this immediate rebalance, I'm going to chase it. That's why I said it's not trade idea. I just want to see how big potential risk at this point. Not worth it. Should break it. No setups for me yet. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, my son is still sick, unfortunately. Fractal model doesn't want to suggest anything right now. Nothing I like. Just trying to stick to my plan, and I have only one setup is like order block. Nothing yet. Perfect reaction from for our bullish manipulation using stat map. Do we have 2-minute inversion for this? We do have 2-minute inversion, but stop loss. How big stop loss at this point? It's barely 2 hour trade. Big stop loss, 26 points. Cannot make it less yet. Cannot make it less yet, so. $40. Oh, that's a lot. Usually I look for trades with less than 20 points. No matter how many contracts I trade. It's like 10 points preferably, 10, 15 points preferably. Then you're looking at this 2-minute inversion. So if we may hold this inversion with displacement, I will take this long to New York midnight open possibly. Yes, and data high right here, exactly. As conservative target. So a trade idea will be 2-minute inversion. So basically stop loss is going to be 50% of this fair value gap. So something like this. And then, yeah, it will be trade idea actually. More like scalp right here and just like conservative target to data high. Also, we have volume imbalance right here. But since we expect to get equal highs on ES, makes sense to wait for New York midnight open, I would say. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, that's pretty much trade idea. Stop loss can be reduced, I guess, to the sell stops. Oops. Let's see. It can be partial. Guys, if you can reach 50% of 5-minute wick, make sure to take some off right here. Here's 5-minute volume imbalance. Almost took this. Break above this equal high so far. Guys, I'm off right now if you can take. Guys, I'm off. Just it's not financial advice, but if you're this long, I highly recommend to take some off. Once you can see, guys, I said that many times. If I said trade idea, this means I take this trade. If you can take some off right now, but not full profit right here, take it. I said many times, guys, if I said trade idea, I take this trade. I took some off right here. I'm going to move my stop right now. I was a bit aggressive with my micros today, but well, it worth it. If it's going to stop me at break even, that's fine. I just don't want to see big retracement down if it wants to continue going higher. At some off, I took my not my most position, but I took some off right here. Why I said to take some off? Because it's like a psychological range right here, 5-minute wick, pretty much like news week right here. So range between 25 and 50%. If it wants to stop me right now at break even, I'm fine. I locked some profit. Good profit, actually. Traded Apex today. I guess not. I traded 15 accounts today. Still in. Perfect reaction from this 5-minute volume imbalance, by the way. My concern only at this point, yeah, perfect rejection from this. Actually, I need to do something like this. It's like, just makes sense to adjust. Oops. Just makes sense to adjust this according to profits. Take profits right here. Equal highs so nice right here. Honestly, we already closed above equal highs. It is to this level. If we can run to equal highs right now, it will be so nice. You know, at least New York midnight open on ES, it will be even better. I would say 50% of this week lines up with New York midnight open, which is even better as well. With my partial luck, 30 points, so which is not bad. Honestly, I need to, I guess, make a note for everyone. Because I said this many times already, but I guess lots of new people. I guess I need to just make it like a rule. If I said trade idea, this means I'm taking this trade. I said this many times already, but new people, I guess, I need to make this like a rule right here. Not trade idea only, yes. Honestly, I would like to see how it's going to play out. I like that we close above equal highs, and honestly, the action should be to New York midnight open and equal highs right here. So not trade idea only, yes. I wish I'd had an idea so I could trade this as well on my top step right now, but honestly, not really. Yeah, I'm going to leave this on my chart for forever. So trade idea equals I'm in. I saw people ask me right here, if it's trade idea or not. I said not yet, but then once it's confirmed, I said it's a trade idea. I jumped right here. I'm going to keep this for forever, I guess. Looking, no, trade idea. I cannot give you guys financial advice, so I cannot say this is like entry point for everyone. But trade idea, I guess it's smart. Because trade idea means that's my, this is how I see the market right now. This is how I see setup right now. I cannot say like it's 100% win rate model right now. No. But trade idea, it's up to you if you want to take it or not. I cannot give you financial advice. Looking at New York Midnight Open right now, almost there. Okay, but entry was based on stat map, by the way. Let's give it a time. Yeah, I need to put disclaimer, you're right about this. Okay, guys, let's talk about stat map right here. Actually, that was one of the reasons why I took this trade. So look at this. So basically we got a 4-hour open, move all the way down to 4-hour manipulation level. So as you remember, but I guess not lots of new people right here, we got, if I want to trade stat map, I need to use 2-minute or 5-minute inversion fair value gaps. And I saw this inversion fair value gap. Initially I calculated my risk, but after this it created this OB. It started creating the OB with displacement over here. And I was like, okay, I'm going to look for potential long, but I can reduce my stop to 50% of this value gap since this order block was confirmed. And right now I would like to keep my eyes on this 4-hour manipulation level, 623, 723. By the way, exactly lines up with 50% over here. So here's just psychological range. So I took my partial right here at 30 points over here. So move my stop at break even. Right now, guys, trade idea means I'm in. I'm going to leave this on my chart, okay? I said that already many times, but I guess new people right here, so. Yes, setup was a little bit better. In terms of risk reward, maybe. We got the test of this inversion over here. Maybe in terms of risk reward, yes. That's based on stat map over here. So we got 4-hour open right here. Move to, so basically stat map draws potential ranges. And we got 4-hour open over here. And we got move immediately below this 4-hour open. So we got, I would say, minor manipulation first. Then for real manipulation down. Formation of inversion. And if I'm not mistaken, I have notes for this. Give me 1 second. No, it's 1 second chart. Give me 1 second. Oh, yeah, exactly. This is note that I put like always on my chart. See, to trade 4-hour levels, you can use 2 or 5-minute inversion fair value gap. So basically bullish bias, bearish bias look above 4-hour open and aim for 4-hour bullish manipulation. Bullish bias look below 4-hour open and aim for our bearish manipulation. Back to right here. So we got move below 4-hour open, 2-minute inversion fair value gap, and we would like to aim for possible 4-hour bearish manipulation. So this is how we use stat map. That's by the way paid indicator. So, but still very helpful in terms of ranges. So I can understand where it can be potential intraday range or 4-hour candle range. So it based on it calculated based on old data. So yeah, so pretty much makes sense right now to wait for possible move to this 4-hour manipulation level, which is like 13 points away. So guys, set alert at 723, which will be your partial level, or it's going to be 50% of this 5-minute wick. New York Midnight Open, guys, if you long yes, make sure to take partial. It's not financial advice, but my friendly recommendation for you. So that's partial level, okay? If you can take partial right now, please do this. See, it's about to take this for manipulation level. So basically, that's absolutely amazing how to use stat map. So this note was, I guess, from like last 2 weeks. Yeah, let me bring this back as well. So bullish bias look below fair open and aim for bearish manipulation, but entry must be based on 2 or 5 minute inversion fair value gap. Guys, if you're right now in on NQ, it's once again, I'm going to repeat, not financial advice, but see what we need to do right now with this for our manipulation level. We would like to aim for bearish manipulation. We would like to aim for bearish manipulation. Do we want to take partial right now or close our trade? We can try. Yeah, I need to say this many times because people maybe want to consider me as signal service, but I cannot be signal service because I don't have rights for this. But I can give you trade idea and it's up to you if you want to take it, okay? Guys, see? It's up to you. We just teach for our bearish manipulation. Just important level. Or we just move your stop. I'm going to take partial right here, so... That was stat map. By the way, it draws these ranges before this happens. I mean, once 4-hour candle opens, it's immediately going to show you potential manipulation levels. I mean, of course, we want to aim for distribution, but we're trying to find conservative target. So this trade was based on idea of the stat map, these rules right here. Guys, if you long on ES, New York midnight open is our like key level. It's like a really key level. And on ES, final target is going to be equal highs. If you have high targets, then it's like up to you to hold. I'm going to move my stop a little bit higher right now. Interesting reaction. I would say solid reaction so far from this manipulation. It doesn't mean like it should be reversal, of course not. But that's a solid reaction. HS, okay, that's interesting. $7.27? What I have at $7.27? What I should have at $7.27? Can you tell me? I don't have any levels. I have data high right here and I take profit just because you like this level. Basically, I got this stat map indicator and just like I just backtested and forward tested. Look how I can find best entry. How can I can use this? And this note, actually, last 2 notes right here is how to trade stat map. We can actually try to get a live stream when we have bank holiday. We can actually try to backtest together this indicator and fractal model indicator if you would like. Yes, I use 4-hour candle, 4-hour mostly. Guys, once again, in my opinion, 4-hour chart is much more better than daily. See this rejection? Oh, that's crazy. I took most positions over it here right now. I just left my runner. Yes, guys, if you would like to backtest that map together, we can do this together. It's going to be a great experience because we actually can try to backtest not only ES and NQ. We can try to see how it's going to work on CL and on gold. Yes, let's try, guys. I'm not super experienced with stat map as well, but I do use this for intraday like bias. Yeah, let's do this, guys. I like this idea. Solid reaction so far. Insane. Okay, guys, if you would like to have backtest session together, put number 1 in the chat, so I will see how many people would like it. I will try. Yeah, I will try to find the time so we can do this together. Yeah, nice. Okay. Stat map, and we will backtest T-Trades fractal model. Okay. Well, lots of people. Perfect. Okay, let's do this. 555. What does it mean? Look at this reaction from New York midnight open, but most interesting reaction from this manipulation. If it's going to stop me out at my in my runner, I'm going to be fine. Yes, guys, don't worry, we will do this. 7-7. What 7-7 means? So you can join, and I will explain how I use stat map chart and how I use fractal model indicator. Okay. See how my friendly advices works? That's because my friendly advice. That's why I trade micros, guys, because micros actually pays. If I was, for example, I was in with my like 1 mini, it's like take profit or break even. But when I trade micros, oh, that's crazy. That's amazing. Let's see if it wants to stop me out right now in my runner. Small profit, but still locked good profit today. Partial. Let's see. Some off over here. I trade between 10, like recently I trade between 10 and 20 micros on NQ when I have small risk, like relatively small risk. Right here it was, additional stop loss was 15 points, so yes, I do stream every day. I'm going to keep this, guys, on my chart. If it's trade idea, I'm in. I just cannot give you legally financial advice. Just if you can hear trade idea, look for this trade. Are you married for the last 8 years? Yes. And I have 2 kids. You don't need to join any groups, trust me. All information is available on YouTube for free. Yes, of course. I measured from this open of this 5-minute candle and all the way up to data high. So actually divided to psychological levels. Education must be free, so guys, you don't need to join any mentorships or buy any courses. Yes, I'm on YouTube like mostly every day. Three-minute breaker, let me see. Looks like this. Oh, that's a yes chart. Give me 1 second. Pretty much same on NQ. I don't use breakers for my trades. I learned from ICT and only from ICT. If I'm not mistaken, only course that I bought was MMXM Trader course. It was really helpful, by the way. Okay, guys, you asked me about if it was buying T-Trades fractal model. Okay, if you're going to have backtest session together on live on YouTube, we are going to forward test and backtest this. If you're going to like it, you can buy it. If you don't like it, you cannot buy it. Like you can like stay away from this, okay? MXM Trader course, yes. Not second one. I didn't watch second one, but first one was like gold. I don't care what people is going to say about ICT, because it's like not of my business. I don't care. I don't care actually. ICT gave me what I was needed, and it like that's all I need, right? Yeah, just MXM Trader explained stuff very, very well. Mm, okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, much better. Okay. I was like, what is going on? Actually, if you guys don't understand, market maker model is like silver bullet, is market maker buy model or sell model. What else? Any other setup that you trade, it will be part of market maker buy or sell model. It just like trust me. YM. Oh, it actually happened right here. Interesting how it. That's, by the way, that's absolutely beauty how I would like to trade this wicks right here. When I have like small body, huge wick, and then immediately up close, huge up close candle or down close candle, I prefer to measure this. I have no idea what the name of this candles or wicks, but I prefer to divide this on psychological levels and see how perfectly we respected 50%, 75%. Come on, NQ doesn't want to stop me at my runner. Yes, I do use 4-hour stat map levels, and I use 2-minute or 5-minute chart to trade it. If you would like to trade daily levels, you can use 15-minute chart. Exactly same idea. Let's say, I don't know, we reach daily bearish manipulation level. Let's say you want to wait for 15-minute inversion for a value gap, and only inversion for a value gap to trade this. I mean, it works for me. Looks like hyperability trades usually. Stat map, of course, I can actually just project them on my chart. It's right here. Of course. I can add daily levels if you would like. Here's liquidity levels. These big lines right here is daily levels. By the way, I guess calculation is wrong right here. Or not really wrong. Let me compare. No, it was right. So here's daily manipulation. So as we can see, we're below daily bullish manipulation. And if you would like to be bullish, we need to get 15-minute inversion fair value gap and aim for manipulation level. Yes, of course, it's like it's potential daily ranges right here, and obviously would like to like trade from manipulation to distribution, but it's not smart. Works much better to use target like entry from manipulation to manipulation. But I don't use daily levels actually. I do use only 4-hour levels because it works so nice for me. As I said before, I'm going to repeat this again. If you have bullish bias, I would like to look below 4-hour open and aim for our bearish manipulation. If I have, for example, bearish bias, I would like to look for price above 4-hour open and aim for bullish manipulation. For example, as we got right here, we got open right here, so basically 10 a.m. open, right? move all the way down. So basically we are below for our open right here. We got inversion. And once again, let's read this again. To trade 4-hour levels, you can use 2 or 5 minute inversion fair value gap. Did we get inversion fair value gap right here? Yes, we got this. Perfect. So this means we got moved from this 4-hour bullish manipulation with inversion entry right here. But honestly, I put my entry slightly higher. I wasn't sure about this inversion because stop loss was slightly like a little bit big for me. But right here, once we got 2-minute OB, let me show you. 2-minute OB right here with displacement, I was like, okay, stop loss below this low makes a little bit more sense right now. Well, so basically that's why I said like 10 times, I guess, guys, that's key level. Make sure to take some off or partial right here, or even close your trade. We still stuck at this 4-hour bullish manipulation so far. Guys, yeah, by the way, I can give away this indicator, I guess. I will think about this, about stat map indicator giveaway, if you would like. You would like, guys, put one if yes, and if not, 2 in the chat. We will do giveaway of this stat map indicator. I can do this. I see some two number 3. What 3 means actually? Looking at it calls stat map indicator right here. And guys, based on our rule right here, once again, to trade, I'm going to repeat that again. 4-hour levels, you can use 2, 5 or 5 minute inversion of fair value gap. And if you are bullish, we would like to aim for bearish manipulation. And we really would like to aim for this level. Can we say we took partial, or I took partial right here? And that's why I said 10 times, guys. Make sure to take some off right here as well. So let's see. Are you happy to enter before candle close? Actually, I was happy to enter before candle close because we got 2-minute inversion already. So basically, I saw displacement and candle was about to close. This means most likely it's going to be OB. So like no way it's going to retrace that low to fail to offer OB actually. What if you trade one contract? That's guys, that's why I said I hate to trade one contract. If I trade micros, I trade, like, I'm just trying to find conservative target, I will trade with 2 micros. So I need to have, like, I must take partials. If no partials, I always feel like take profit or break even, like, nothing in between. I hate it. I always trade micros on NQ, always, because I can take partials. Even if, for example, I would like to have like 1 mini, I will take 10 micros. Even if commission is going to be higher, I don't care. I must take partials. Because from my experience, partials like really pays. Lots of examples when it just like I got partial and just it went all the way down to my stop loss or break even trade. It's like partial taken. Once again, at this bearish manipulation level, okay. By the way, I don't really use new week opening gap or new day opening gap, but I do use weekly open. So in my opinion, like new week opening gap can be like huge range, right? But when I see like weekly open, then yes, I will see like, I will look this as potential target or partial or potential point of reversal, but I will look for this reversal from weekly open itself. Okay, for example, if it's psychological level, I'm going to take, if I'm in with 10 micros, I will take 7 micros off at my psychological level or key level. Usually like 70% off immediately. It's not like 50% actually, like 70 off. You passed your 100K challenge. Absolutely amazing job. Good job. If you can recommend any model, I cannot recommend any models, guys, as well as I cannot recommend any setups. Why? Because something that can work for me will not work for you. Your final target is data high. I even ready to rename this like most. positions off. I left just runner right now. I have 2 micros left actually right now. What is my favorite model? Once again, usually my favorite model is like Twins model because it's order block. So I execute based on order blocks. Almost never, I would say never, I trade based on fair value gaps. Oh, like never. But inversion fair value gaps, yes, it's fine when it's part of time distortion or it's based on this setup. Basically right here, over here. The test of equal highs once again right here. Looks like solid support so far, and so that's interesting to see if we can take actually equal highs right here. Data high looks nice to take it. Keep jetting from this daily for our manipulation. Can we see something right now? Let's highlight the daily open. I feel like it also can be potential key level for us. So basically 6 p.m. 6 p.m. daily open. Is that right price? Yep. Daily open. It was 2-minute chart. Guys, can you see my notes? What this level actually means on my chart? I have no idea. Okay. Forgot to give it a name, so. Oh, by the way, I can add background, I guess. It's going to be a little bit better. Oh, not right here. Oh yeah, that's much better, by the way. See? Oh, it's much better. Absolutely amazing. Let me copy and... Okay, never mind. And I need to go right here. Bring this in front. Same right here. Yeah, much better. I like it more. Easier to see. Amazing. My stop loss right now below these bodies right here. So basically I usually call this like equal lows bodies. So I move my stop loss right here in small profit. It's like 2 micros left, so I don't need to care about this, like I would say. My concern will be, I would say, also let me log this. My concern will be if equal highs will be taken before running this New York midnight open. Then I will like, okay, I will take 1 micro off right here. I will leave like 1 micro to New York midnight open, but if equal highs is going to be taken before New York midnight open taken on ES, on NQ, I will close trade. You want to see all-time high? That's fine. You know, I'm usually trying to find conservative targets. Like, it makes a little bit more sense for me. Because when I have conservative target, I feel like a little bit more like comfortable. I don't need to stress about. But if for example, ES doesn't want to take all-time high today, or NQ doesn't want to take all-time high today, if like it's much better to have conservative target and be like, okay. Funny to see data high looks so I mean like so obvious right now. I don't know why it doesn't want to take it. I mean, yes, we got psychological levels right here. I'm going to delete them. I don't need them anymore. Right now, what makes sense is just reach data high to take my 1 micro off. Yeah, conservative target is just like make sure to save your profit and lock your profit at key level. Because sometimes, yes, we can anticipate to see all-time high, but what can happen actually, it can like reverse and reach this all-time high level tomorrow, for example. I mean, yeah. $7.59 59 is your final target. Lines up with daily open. Agree with your target. Looks for me. Looks nice for me. Come on, almost reach my another partial level. Funny how they're trying to play games right now because it doesn't really make sense. Data high looks obvious. Strong liquidity right here. Another test of this London high. Come on, Q. See how close equal highs right here? Yeah, that's why I'm going to take like one off right here. I'm going to leave one micro just for fun. One tick. Guys, partial right now. Guys, yes, make sure to lock some profit right now, please. Once again, not financial advice, but my friendly recommendation to look at this equal highs as potential key level, okay? Okay, guys, I'm leaving one micro just for fun. I'm not sure if it's going to reach my final target right here. Over here, not sure. With tight stop, I'm also going to move my stop loss right now. It's still equal highs, but guys, if you can took some off right here, it will be much better than just like wait for something magical, okay? You move to 724 is, yeah, I also took some profit right here. I'm talking with you like your mom. I'm like your friend, guys. I always want to give you like good advice. I'm going to move my final target at the middle between daily open and New York midnight open right now. Come on, guys, let's hit lots of likes buttons for our TP. More likes, faster TP. Come on. Magnets? Oh, exactly. Exactly. I would say that's huge, right? Let's make it a little bit less. I mean, smaller right here. 1, 2. Guys, that's our secret strategy right here. Don't copy, don't sell this. Hard to copy this actually. Too small. Five. I mean, of course it can reverse because yes, each final target. I don't like really need to see higher on yes. But well, it's just for my 1 micro. I like this blue color more, and that's our secret strategy, guys. That's our secret strategy. Rainbow magnets, exactly. No, I did not record the video about stat map yet, but once again, if you just joined, we are going to have a backtest session together. We are going to backtest stat map indicator. We are going to backtest fractal model indicator together. So I will explain there how I use this stat map. It's not going to give you like 100% win rate strategy with these levels, obviously not. But it's good for potential ranges. PM today, honestly, I'm not sure PM trades at all. I'm going to just keep trading my stop loss with my 1 micro. How to get free? Unfortunately, it's not possible right now, but I'm going to do giveaway with this indicator. I would say I will give away 1 or 2 indicators right here. 1 hour chart looks strong bullish. Exactly. I think New York Midnight Open will be taken. Honestly, it doesn't look bad, especially if ES rates are on this level. So far, pretty much equal highs, right? Yeah, sometimes I change my bias looking at stat map levels. Sometimes it helps. Yeah, you want to call me on Discord? I guess I need to add you as friend, right? After Steam, you can call me. You can show me if you want. Okay, I guess you send me your Discord on Twitter, right? Yeah, I guess I saw the link. Okay, I will send you a request after Steam. Yeah, yesterday was busy, but today I'm fine. He wants to show me how he used his footprint chart. Yeah, immediately after Steam, I'm going to call you. Yeah, actually, this trade idea was based on 2-minute inversions. Absolutely amazing trade. Good job. 50 points. Yeah, amazing job. Yeah, guys, I used to use a footprint chart when I traded ES, but for some reason, foreign Q didn't work. Quick note, ES just took this equal highs, so that's very important level. Before this, we got pretty much like equal highs, nothing more. We just swept this. Like, be careful if market wants to reverse from this equal highs. Preferably, of course, to take New York Midnight Open on NQ because we have rainbow magnets. It's like 101% win strategy. Like, no way it's not going to take it. But if it wants to reverse, I guess reason will be yes. I used to trade use footprint chart when I was trading ES, especially like a couple of years ago. But then I switched on NQ, and I was like, I was trying to look at footprint when I was trading NQ, but for some reason it didn't work for me. I guess free version of TradingView offer delayed data, maybe by 15 minutes. I don't remember. You need to pay like $7 a month for data, if I'm not mistaken. I did not enter it based on inversion fair value gap as well. Wasn't comfortable, honestly, but once I saw potential OB and displacement, I placed entry right here. So this ejection is like okay for me. Runner left, so just for fun to see. Because I have just one micro left to this New York midnight open. I don't really care if it's going to take it or not. We are going to move my stop loss right now over here and like it's break even. I don't know how to make this break even, honestly. You stopped. I still in trade, so I move my stop at this low right here. Yes, I will steam in 2025. I guess I'm going to steam when we are going to have bank holiday. What date? I'm going to steam until the end of this year and next year. So yeah, just not sure when it's going to be bank holiday yet. To be honest, my bias initially was bearish, but no, sometimes I just need to like look at stat map on time, and this today it was exactly when I was looking at stat map. Fortunately, I look at this and okay, possible bullish signal for short term, especially like between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. That's why I changed my mind with my bias to just possibly take data high right here. My runner stop loss right here, it's in profit. By the way, sometimes I exit from my trades. For example, let's say I'm long on NQ when I see yes reach target. So sometimes yes may reverse, and this reversal will happen on NQ as well. Yeah, actually, data high taken, that's nice, equal highs taken. But let's say our target, we didn't have data high, but we like aimed for New York midnight open. And honestly, I would close my trade anyway because yes, each target. I am not interested in higher yet on a yes, but this equal high is solid reaction so far. Yes, 1 hour fair value gap at 88. Oh, actually, we did not reach this, right? Okay. If it wants to just reach 1 hour bullish fair value gap, most likely it's going to stop me at my runner. It's fine. I don't really care. This text right here, where's this one? This text right here is just like my notes for you guys. And for me as well, because sometimes I can forget something. Bottom right. Oh, you mean limit traders right here? No, just like a picture on OBS. My trade plan on TradingView is expert, but you don't need to have this. Once you expert, you will have this icon, but once again, you don't need to have this. I don't need this as well, actually. I explained my entry already. It was based on this setup right here. Let's read this together once again. I use stat map today indicator to enter this trade. And since we got pretty much, it looked like, okay, AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and possible distribution. So bullish bias. Look below 4-hour open and aim for 4-hour bullish manipulation. This orange line is 4-hour open. We got move all the way down below accumulation right here, basically manipulation. Below 4-hour open to manipulation level, bullish manipulation. This means in order to trade this, To trade for hour levels, you can use 2 or 5-minute inversion for your value gap. So back on this chart, it formed 2-minute inversion, and actually original idea was long based on these levels, because my initial bias was move lower. But once I saw these 4-hour levels, I was like, okay, actually we can try this. We can try this. So my TP is where my magnets, daily open or New York midnight open. Actually at the middle. Daily open, best target for everyone. This is where my magnets right now. Yeah, you're very welcome. So yes, it's maybe smart to aim for distribution level, but as I said, I'm looking for conservative targets, and conservative target was manipulation. So basically trade from manipulation to manipulation, from inversion to manipulation. Same for daily levels. Let's say we have bullish bias, we want to wait for 15-minute inversion. We have bearish bias, we want to wait for 15-minute inversion. Guys, we are going to have backtest session together where we will talk about this. I mean, if I want to divorce them, it's going to take so much time. But since we are waiting, okay, we are going to actually try to move this like this. Well, much better. Now should work. Now we should see displacement. Now we should see speed. Like 1 second to deliver us to magnets. Timer is on. That's fine. So let's have some fun while we are waiting. Better than like sit and do nothing, right? Yeah, actually, that's a great idea. I guess we need to create separate playlist for the caps. Yeah, that's a great idea. Second stage is my favorite entry only because it's better in terms of risk reward. Equal highs right here, basically right here. Data high over here lines up with this high from 1 a.m. So maybe makes sense to aim for like end of market maker buy model right here. I took most positions off right here at this data high, especially when I saw ES also took this data high. Kind of made sense in my opinion to left just one runner right here, one micro left, just for fun to see if we can reach daily open, yes or not. I'm fine if not. So it's just for fun. In my opinion, data high on both ES and Q was main liquidity level or main target. It's about to stop me out right now at my runner, but that's fine. I traded 15 Apex today. Account. You know, funny to see. Actually, I was prepared to I was prepared myself to be stopped out twice already. It's just like trying to reverse a couple of points away from my stop. I use trade copyright actually. I have 20 Apex accounts. Decided to trade 15 today. My PNL pretty much solid today. I'm going to show you soon. I have lots of accounts, guys, lots of accounts. So actually I use Replicanto. I use a trade right now, execute on a Ninja Trader. Yes, I can exit like at the same time, just like press flatten all, and I'm going to close all my trades. Yes. My initial stop loss was right here, below this order block. So my stop with my 1 micro right here, right now, just like target or stop loss. So do you trade all accounts every day? Actually not. So sometimes I just look at price action. If it's going to be like bigger risk, I'm going to trade less accounts. Maybe that's not smart. Sometimes I only execute on my top step picks. Sometimes I execute only on Apex. Sometimes I execute on Edge Trader or my funded futures. I don't know, like it's kind of I feel not comfortable execute at the same time like all my accounts. As well as I don't feel comfortable to when I was passing my accounts, I wasn't comfortable to pass this for one day all 20 accounts. It's like pressure for me. But I'm fine to pass like 5 accounts and another 5 accounts, then another 5 accounts. I have lots of accounts, guys. I guess if I want to count total, more than 30 accounts. Tapstep X, no, Tapstep X, you need to trade on their platform. They have built-in copyright there. But I have express funded accounts on my Replicant, not Replicant, on my Ninja as well. So actually I have 4 Tapstep X and just 1 regular Tapstep account, funded account. How many days? Okay, it depends. So 2 years ago, I passed my first couple of accounts for like 2-3 weeks. I don't remember. But right after this, like when IPEX allowed to pass this for one day, then it's like 50 points 3 minutes or 75 points 2 minutes. It wasn't hard, honestly. Especially summer was pretty much solid, and 75 points was easy to catch. What size I trade? Okay, on ES I trade minutes, like most of the time between 1 and 3 minutes. On NQ I trade. Recently I started trading between 10 and 20 micros, but a couple of months ago I traded between like 5-10 micros. Just now I can afford to increase my risk, I guess, and that's why I trade between mostly between 10-20 micros. But on NQ execute, I don't trade NQ, I trade MNQ. So I usually recommend to not pass for one day. So take your time, pass this for as much time as you need, and trade micros. So when you're trying to pass your evaluation, so consider this account as your funded account. So how you want to trade your funded account? It's like good practice, in my opinion. But right now it's 50 points was slow, and that's annoying. Manipulation. Give me 1 second, guys. For manipulation, I use stat map indicator right here. It's paid indicator. I don't trade CFDs. I like how the perfect reaction from these equal highs. Can we reverse? Of course it can reverse. So just no reason for me to close my trade because it's like my stop loss right here. If I'm going to stop out right now, nice. It's just 1 micro. One micro left. I took most positions off right here. Just one micro for fun if we can reach this daily open in New York midnight open. Not sure, that's why one micro left. After 710, that's because my stop loss right there. Honestly, that's like always. Classic picture. Traded 15 micros. Magnets is not going to work, guys. Do you know why my magnets have a 101% win strategy? Win rate strategy? I'm going to tell you right now. Because eventually, one day, we will reach this level. That's why 101% win rate strategy. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe like in a couple of weeks. But eventually, we will reach this level. And yes, because of our crystal ball, honestly, that was solid helper for us. Tanya is absolutely amazing girl. I love her. $99K, okay. Do you have sister? Guys, you're not going to trust me, you will not believe me. I have twin sister. I swear to God, I have twin sister. But she lives in Belarus, not in the US. Is she single? Yes. But she doesn't speak English, so. A phone call. So guys, of course I need like to say like how many people, like 100K people, 1,000 people want to look at you. Interesting, what she's going to tell me. You speak Russian, okay. Then you're good. That should no. She has no idea what trading is. As well as my mom and dad like don't support me in this in trading. It's like casino for them. I'm not going to even try to prove something. Like, it's casino for you. Well, perfect. Russian is your love language. It's not for everyone. Just my dad said like, do you understand? It's like it's not a job. Tipo, yeah, he said like one day you will lose a lot, so you need to find normal job. So actually, I went to university because of my dad. Like, okay, here's like I went to university. That's you asked me about this. I did this. That's funny. Like, last 10 years, like lots of people not interested in university anymore. And funny that we do this for our parents, right? That's crazy. Game over. And I stop at my break, not at my stop loss right here. Okay, guys. I started trading in 2021. Actually, I was at university. I'm from Belarus. I don't know why profit is different, honestly. Like completely different, but that's okay. Are you married? Yes, for the last 8 years. I'm going to give her my sister. Mm, I don't know. Yes, that was 15 micros. It stopped me out right now, so now time to go. Also, yeah, it's Epix accounts, 15 Epix accounts, 15, right? Yeah, 15. $16? Okay, 16. I did not count. Let me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Never mind. 15 or 16. I did not count. That's a rhythmic account, so I cannot connect them to TradingView. I guess. Okay, I use Trader. I had Tradeaway before, but I blew them. So now it's rhythmic accounts. Because guys, I don't know, when I use Tradeaway, for some reason I had lots of ghost orders. I'm not sure how about you, but lots of ghost orders. Like, I closed my position, it opened another position by itself. I was like, okay, let's try rhythmic accounts. I switched to rhythmic accounts. Yeah, I decided to switch on rhythmic. So far, so good, though. Just, I don't feel stress anymore. Now I don't have Tradeaway, I guess, account. Only with like personal account, but yeah, I don't have, I guess, Tradeaway account. Maybe no, I don't remember. I guess no. Yes, I use Ninja. Exactly right. You know where's the problem? So in order to execute, copy my trades on NinjaTrader and use replicant, I can connect only one prop firm with rhythmic connection, right? And I can connect as many as I want Tradeaway accounts. Unfortunately, that's so annoying. So I cannot connect, for example, right now, Elite Trader accounts because it's also rhythmic. When I had Tradeaway, same exactly how I copy my trades with rhythmic connection. Exactly same. So but so far so good. I like Epic's accounts. They do pretty much fast payouts recently. That's nice. So it works for me. By the way, yesterday I got email they're running 80% off right now, which is also nice. Because before this it was like 50%. I was like, it's not worth it. Because if I want to compare Epics or my funded futures for $80, it's better to get my funded futures. But with 80% sale, pretty much worth it. Last night it was 50%, but yesterday at 9 p.m. they sent me email with 80% discount. You can connect as many as you want Tradeaway connections, so it can be from in different prop firms, but you can connect only one rhythmic with one prop firm. For example, if you have, let's say, Elite Trader funding and you have Epix accounts, and if this two accounts rhythmic, you cannot connect them both. It will not let you to do this. But you can connect Epix and lots of different trader weight, or you can trader weight accounts, or you can connect Elite Trader with lots of different trader weight accounts if you have rhythmic. Look at this solid reaction right here. Magnus is not going to work today. Today I executed on Apex funded accounts. Thank you, thank you. I expected to get my Magnus today, but well. Second stage of distribution actually looks like new people right here. I'm going to show you something. Give me 1 second. Where it is? Oh, I found it. How we want to trade second stage? How can I zoom in this? Give me 1 second. How we want to trade second stage? That's a great question. We got how we want to trade first stage and how we want to trade. How we want to trade second stage. So actually I explain this. how I trade second stage of the distribution. If you guys did not watch my if you did not watch my YouTube video about market maker, my buy model or sell model, you can I can share this PDF if you're new here. Do I need to share PDF? Guys, we need PDF. Yes, okay, I'm going to share this link on Twitter once again. I mean, I'm going to post this PDF on my Twitter. So it's like 176 pages. It's not only about market maker buy model, it's about my model, it's about power of three, it's about standard deviation, it's about intraday bias. I will tell you guys, lots of people sell courses using this information. I share this for free, and in my opinion, you will not find this information in paid courses. Which is, by the way, like crazy. People sell this information for like 10K. So I shared everything I know for free right here. How to draw standard deviation projections, accumulation projection, manipulation projection, input select projection, time distortion, measuring gap. What is Brian? You don't follow me on Twitter? Give me 1 second. You're so active right here and you don't follow me on Twitter? Okay, guys, what is my Twitter handle right here? See these links? Upper right corner right here. Limit Traders. Okay, guys, I'm going to post this PDF on Twitter. Oh, okay. Perfect ejection from this equal highs. Who is Lumi? Who is this? Exactly. I don't know. Who is this? I'm going to post right now on my Twitter. Give me 1 second. Yeah, lots of people call me like PDF maker, but if you guys see this information, you will start understanding it's much more better than I guess lots of people explain this for in paid courses. I just try to keep everything simple, and yeah, share my insights so you will not find this information somewhere else. You haven't been to this yet. Guys, I will share the link in the chat. Give me 1 second. So solid reaction from this equal high so far. Obviously, this target doesn't really make sense anymore. I'm already out, guys, so happy I took most positions off right here, honestly. Let's switch on 5-minute chart. It's already 11, so no trades for me after 11. Still like 50 points straight, not a lot, but still good for us. Okay, that's 5-minute change in the state of delivery formed. So I would like to see tracement back to 4-hour open. Right now, yes, I would like to see it drop like 20 points lower to detest this 4-hour open. Actually, solid reaction from this 4-hour manipulation level so far. And let's see what happened right here. Actually, suggested move down based on fractal model over here with order block formation. So honestly, overall, just since we missed this, let's see what happened. That's a lot, so it makes sense to move stop loss over here. So using this fractal model right here, and can it be market maker sell model? Looks like this. Trying to offer this. At this moment, all I would like to see is just a test of 4-hour open. Sometimes this, I'm not in this trade, guys. It's not trade idea. It's already hand-side trade. How we can react from this 4-hour open. If you zoom in a little bit more, what we can see right here. Let me open turn on magnets right here. We see a flat candle, right? Trade weight is not better for me personally because I feel like it has lots of problems with orders executions. From my experience, I'm not going to get any trade weight anymore. So, especially when I was executing with 20 accounts, I always got like ghost orders. It's not worth it. Yeah, nothing worse. So it depends. If you're just trying to ask me which account size you need to get, in my opinion, best option is to get 50K account. In terms of risk reward, it's like on Apex $250 risk to make like 3K. I mean, drawdown. In my opinion, I always trade with 50K accounts. I'm not on this trade. It's already a hand-side trade. Interesting to see how we can react from this for open right here. PDF soon, guys, soon. Give me 1 second. I will ask my husband right now. Okay, where's my WhatsApp right here? No, it's hand-side trade, so basically trying to forward this. I mean this trade, so we talk about something else. I guess if we talk about PDF, so additional entry was missed. Just trying to forward test. Looks like market maker sell model right here. So the test of 4-hour open so far, this orange line, flat candle taken right here. So basically flat candle, no weak candle, low is sell side liquidity. Looking for this AM session, sell side liquidity next. Or not really, so I will look for 50% of this order block. Right here. We trace back to discount right now. We run this flat candle and we run this 4-hour open. That's why it was TP1. Honestly, kind of similar to market maker sell model right now. I will leave this final target right here. So let's see. 2 days, that's nice. It's kind of hard for me to trade 100k account, honestly. I don't know why. Oh yeah, see you tomorrow. If any questions, just let me know. Back to OB only, yes. See how we're trying to dispel this flat candle low? Insane. Order block over here. Okay, 50% of this week, as well as almost reach equilibrium of previous range. Well, let's see. Your last exit 690. Oh, you're already closed, right? Okay. Why enter there? You mean right here? I'm going to explain actually. Guys, why decided? Don't need to explain why I decided I was looking for this move lower. Actually, let's talk about this. It's not that hard. I'm going to ask questions right now and you will try to answer, okay? Oh yeah, let me bring this back. Okay, guys. Can we say we got sweep over here? We got sweep, right? Like these candles right here on the right is 15-minute candles. So basically 1 minute chart, 15-minute candles. I don't know what's hard to see for you. Honestly, I'm just trying to look at preview on my OBS. It's still fine. Okay, guys. These candles over here is 15-minute candles, right? So how we want to trade this fractal model? So can you see this gray box over here? So we T-Trade calls this as T-spot. It's your connection, but yeah, possibly something with your internet over here. Okay. T-Trade calls this as T-spot right here. Okay, what else? What is T-spot? Maybe you want to ask me. How I understand this? So T-spot is the range between 50% of this candle 2. So basically candle 1. Candle 2 always is going to sweep candle 1. Like logically, right? So we want to measure from high to low or from low to high. It's up to you. And here's like 50% this dotted line. So basically top of this box. And open of this candle 3. If candle 2 close inside the range of candle 1. So this means we got sweep and closure inside previous candle range. So candle number 3 open is your bottom of this box. So you will look for possible move lower from this box. How we want to trade this? I guess I have notes for this. 15-minute sweep, 1 minute structure, 1 minute C-spot. Entry at 50% retracement of the leg. Basically 50% this dotted line over here, or 1 minute OB formation. Gray box. Just explained that like 1 minute ago. Okay, gray box is T-spot, the range between 50% of candle 2 after we got sweep and closure reason candle. It's okay. Candle number 1 range and open of candle number 3, this gray box. So read that again together, guys. 15-minute sweep, yes. 1 minute structure, yes. Entry at 50% retracement or order block formation. OB formed, yes. 50% retraced, yes. What happened next? Can we enter right here? Actually, yes. But you know how I trade this. So I will wait for another OB over here, propulsion block over here, and displacement. So displacement right here. Why I put my entry right here? In hand side, right here. So basically stop loss is going to be above 50% of this order block, mean threshold of order block right here, and target. Target is a little bit harder. Okay, conservative target at this point will be 4-hour open, since we got reaction from, let me see. We got reaction from bearish manipulation, and we expect to get moved down to 4-hour open. So 4-hour open can be like partial, not like final target, but as partial. So once I saw this fractal model over here, T-spot respected right here with displacement information of OB, once again, 50% retracement of this leg, candle number 2, and 1 minute OB formation. Okay, 50% this dotted line right here, OB formation. Okay, perfect, we got this. After this, we got another OB with displacement. We're looking for move down. to this 4-hour open, and then I will look for possible continuation lower to 50% of this range, of this retracement. Honestly, not sure, but at this moment, I would like to keep my eyes on final target over here. Make sense? I did recommend to save this picture right here, but I'm going to keep this on my chart like always. That's why I said it's hindsight chart trade, because I only saw this. We were talking about PDF. I only saw this when we was already right here. I mean, not a big deal, like it's like 5-point difference, but anyway, still already too late. Too long. Give me 1 second. We are going to check this. Actually, in my settings, I have only like one. We can like increase. We got long right here. Exactly same idea. OB, even retracement to this order block, right? Another order block, displacement, continuation. So, by the way, I would say this yeah, pretty much this T spot on 15-minute chart was exactly same entry where I took actually my trade, but I didn't see that. Yeah, perfect. It's not like ICT terms. Yeah, maybe lots of like strange names. I won't agree with you. Just needs to keep this simple, as well as this flat candle or no wick candle low. Lots of people told me it's like devil marks, and I'm like, okay, imagine I'm used to this. Like, I'm just give it a name like flat candle, which is obvious. Like, no wick candle, flat candle, like doesn't have wick. But when people told me like it's devil's marks, and like, that's completely different picture. So now it makes like lots of sense what it was. Lots of so strange names, right? If it's like flat candle, it's flat candle. If it's like no wick candle, it's not wick candle. It's like if it's fair value gap, it's going to be fair value gap. We don't need to like to find stupid names for this, right? Just like try to keep this simple, and you will be fine. You just when you look at chart, you see flat candle, you immediately must understand what this means. You should see my face. Unfortunately, I cannot see this, but I wish I could this. I could see this. I'm a good teacher. I don't consider myself as a good teacher, but I was a basketball coach for little kids. Maybe that's why. Just in my understanding, guys, it's like when you're trying to code, you're trying to keep everything simple. If then. Same in market. If then. So you must understand how market moves. You don't need to learn this. So and keep in mind, okay, someone told me that it should work. It will not work. You must understand the logic, how market moves. Same as you trying to code, right? You must understand the logic. You don't need to learn how to do this. When you understand the logic, you will be fine. Same for market. When we get in basketball lessons, oh, actually in my clubhouse, I have like inside basketball court. So come to me, we will play. I offered to go to me Ryan. Actually, I guess you know who is Ryan is. He said it's like he doesn't want to drive 2 hours. I said okay. He rejected my offer. Guys, if you live in Florida and in Orlando or West Palm Beach, you can come to me and we can play if you would like. Actually, I'm open to meet new people. Just let me know. I'm not tall, by the way. I'm 5'6". I'm not tall. I speak with my husband, my kids, using Russian language. In Miami, oh yeah, it's like 4 hours from me, 3 hours from me. Actually, we can meet. I met my husband in Belarus. Yeah, he's also from Belarus, from different town. Oh, you live in Orlando? By the way, we pretty often go to Orlando Science Center with kids. If you have kids, we can meet there if you would like. Sunday, Saturday, just let me know. Teenagers already. Oh, okay. My kids 3 and 5, so yeah, small kids right now. Which session do you trade? I trade AM session mostly, and I execute on my personal account PM session and overnight trades. I already done for today. I locked perfect profit today. Are you going, guys? I am child free. Just realize it's too late. I'm child free. Realized after I got 2 kids. No, no more kids. Give me 1 second. Here's PDF. Hello, who just joined? Cool power free. No, thank you. No, thank you. By the way, PM session recently was hard for me, but well, just not for me recently. But so far so good. By the way, trade. Where's my Twitter? I actually shared yesterday. Here's my account. I shared yesterday on Twitter, so it wasn't bad. I don't know why it's trying to show it like I had losing trade. I had like 25 losing trade. It was last day on November. I don't know why it's trying to show you such a big loss. I don't know. So it's my personal account right here. I don't know. It's not like 100. It's not like, let's say, like $500,000 for this month. Unfortunately, it's not even like 50K, but still not bad. So that's my personal account. Not bad actually. And I execute. I trade micros with this, especially this month and last month. It was kind of hard for me, especially after October. So micros trade PM or overnight sessions. Pretty much happy with my results, especially like my trades mostly more than 2 hour trades, which is nice. You're ready? I'm done for today. That's pretty much it. Futures way better than forex. I cannot compare because I did not trade forex. So far, trying to just pick this for open. Interesting. Going to back on 15-minute chart. No, I guess 2-minute chart better. See how trying to expect for open so far? I trade yeah, pretty much every single day on YouTube. Yeah, guys, let's be done for today. We are going to have separate session for backtesting. Guys, here's the link with PDF. We are going to have backtest session together. We will backtest stat map indicator and we will backtest a fractal model indicator. I don't execute after 11, like almost never, and I'm pretty done for today. I'm not going to trade funded accounts today anymore. When? I guess we need to wait for bank holiday, so because most of the time when we have bank holiday, my daycare for kids is open. So if daycare is going to be open for my kids and we have bank holiday, we are going to have backtest session together, okay? I'm not going to sell this because education must be free, in my humble opinion. And guys, information that I shared in my PDF, I guess, first, no one actually explains this before me. I hope, because it's like my personal observation and lots of people sell this for lots of money. I believe. Not worth it. Yeah, I don't like to trade after 11. It works everywhere. It's like gold, CL, Bitcoin, everywhere. Forex. Okay, guys, if no more questions, but if, for example, you think you have any questions after stream, just text me on Twitter, because for some reason I cannot see all messages on Instagram, okay? Yeah, works everywhere, actually. Just backtest this. You can, guys, all adult people right here, don't blindly trust people on internet, okay? I can say whatever I want. You don't take my words. Backtest works for your trades. Doesn't work for you, find something else. Never trust people on the internet. Like friendly advice, right? I will explain 4-hour stat map in our session. Okay, guys. To your magnet? Okay, I don't care anymore. How old are you? Any guesses? I remember last week lots of people told me like I'm 18. I was like, oh my god, that's so nice to have 2 kids at 18. Not 30, but like 27. She's just a baby. 70, yeah. Finally, someone said right number. 27 is your age as well? Oh, that's nice. Okay, guys. Okay. Done. Done for today. Not going to execute anymore. My husband is much older than me. Break-even trade. Guys, it's already 12. I want to call to one guy who is going to explain me footprint chart. So let's talk about this tomorrow. So if you can remind me tomorrow about this advice about break-even trader, let's talk about this tomorrow, okay? If any questions, just prepare a list of questions and ask tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so we will take it easy. Yeah, guys, bye-bye. PDF, I guess, soon. In a couple of minutes. Yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. As always, if any questions, Twitter is open for you. Just ask there. Not Instagram. For some reason, I cannot see your messages there. Twitter, okay? Yeah, guys, thank you for joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.